Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to 1MinSchool. In this video I'm gonna show you how to scan a group member or how to delete your all friends permanently by using an extension. So I'm gonna show you the tutorial video. So first of all, we need to go our Chrome browser and we should go our Chrome web store. You can see that I'm right now in Chrome web store. So we need to search here one extension that's name is LOC. So I'm gonna type here LOC and hit on the enter button. You can see here that's the extension. Now click on that and click on the add to Chrome button and click add extension. Alright, so you can see that I'm getting the extension done, and now you should type here and pin the LOC and click on the approve button. Now everything is fine. Now go to tools option and go to group scanner. We should wait, and you can see that it's automatically collected my all public groups. So that's a boom. You also can find you can see here friends remover. You can click on that. You can see that it's fetching data. So you can do that in this way. It's a powerful Facebook tool. So if you like my videos, do a thumbs up, and let's see you in the next video. You can see here my all friends list, so I just can choose any of them and click on the bye bye button. So I'm not gonna unfriend anyone. Do a thumbs up.